In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT to explore and generate extra income online using your skills. If you're aiming to gain financial freedom or simply add some extra bucks to your wallet, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's jump right into it. To get started, open up ChatGPT and initiate a new chat. It's essential to begin with a fresh conversation to ensure that you're getting the most relevant and clear information, tailored to your specific needs. This fresh slate offers you the opportunity to dive straight into the heart of your question without any prior conversation context influencing the responses. Once you've got ChatGPT open, think critically about your financial goals or the challenges you're facing. Craft these into a clear, concise question. For example, a goal like generating extra income online without any upfront investment can be phrased as, how can I generate extra income online for free in 2025 using my skills? By framing your question sharply, you allow ChatGPT to understand exactly what you're looking for and provide personalized solutions. Moving forward, use follow-up prompts to dig deeper and unearth detailed strategies. This is where the magic happens. Engage with ChatGPT by asking for specific, actionable methods. You might prompt the AI with something like, list 10 actionable methods with step-by-step instructions I can start today. Such specificity encourages comprehensive responses, giving you a concrete plan to move from theory to practice effectively. Once you have this list, the next step is refining it to suit your particular situation. Ask ChatGPT to help prioritize these methods. With a prompt like, rank these methods by ease of starting and potential earnings, you'll be able to identify which activities are most accessible and lucrative, given your current skill set and resources. This ranked list becomes your roadmap, a strategic guide tailored to help you hit the ground running. Finally, with your personalized strategies in hand, make sure to either save or copy these insights. It's crucial to bring them into a format that you can easily access as a reference. Implement these strategies into your daily routine, incorporating them into your schedule to ensure consistent action and progress. You can jot down notes, create reminders, or set goals to keep yourself accountable as you start to see results. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to not only harnessing the potential of ChatGPT, but also transforming your skills into a stream of income, all from the comfort of your own space. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.